Hi, I'm Patrick Reid from the Adamas Principle. Some headlines for you that has really been rocking our boat. ECB, Christine Lagarde, everyone, all the Eurodollar bulls were hoping, praying for some hawkish hints. You know, maybe she'll throw in a bit of fiscal, who knows. But they were dashed, hawkish hopes were dashed, and the CPI was largely in line. That was the indication from Christine Lagarde. So Eurodollar just floundering at the lows. The coronavirus, has it got SARS legs? You know, 2003, if you're old enough like me, you remember those days. I think risk appetite is still buying those dips. Not quite there yet, but watch this space. Dollar yen, which we'll come to soon, is getting softer. It is getting softer. But let's just kick into the first chart because it's quite relevant to the coronavirus. This is dollar CNH. As you can see, it's firm off the back of this story. 6.293 is key. Above that is 69867. Just be careful if you're selling any dollar CNH. Not that you would, but this is a great true metric of the China-specific risk-off. So the higher this goes, the more vulnerable or the more risk-off it seems to be. That's China-specific. This could bleed into G10 risk and also, you know, possibly and you know, definitely actually before that EM risk. So all eyes on dollar CNH for now. So let's just look on the next chart. Okay, our old friend Eurodollar. We tried, we failed, nothing really going on there. 110.50, below that, 108.66 is quite formidable. It's a pretty good Fibonacci, but all of this is playing just like a charm for the technical analysis. You know, you've got 111.88, the Fibonacci on the 61.8%. You had a failure to close above on the daily for more than 2 or 3 days. You had the 112.03 trend channel, upper trend channel line, that was capping. So yeah, as I said, it's just playing, it's doing exactly what it ought to be doing for dollar bulls. So that's Eurodollar bears. Next chart. As I previously mentioned, this 109.50 is key. There's some bids looking like, you know, bids supporting this, but if this breaks, it could get ugly and right quick, right? So 108.34 just below that, but watch this space because, you know, any more, you know, let's just see what Wall Street does when we open, and obviously 10-year. Next chart, please. Cable, finally, I'm going to put a call in. I'm bullish cable. Okay, 127.75, the massive monster level here. But the longer we stay above 130 and 130, that sort of area, or 129.21, actually not too shabby in itself, we could be looking at 135 again. But this might take some time. It's starting to settle down. That said, you know, you've got a bit of broad dollar weakness helping this, but a lot of flows coming in from euro sterling, right? So just be careful. Next slide. Okay, Aussie dollar, yeah, being affected by the China, so a bit of a proxy there. But, you know, if we do stay above this kind of 68.15 level, we might have a mini bounce, but 69 mid-Bollinger Band, that might sellers may turn up. And that's it from me at Adamas Principle. My name is Patrick Reid. Please watch that risk. Markets are, you know, UK macros coming back, but you never know. It could all change on a turn of a dime. Thank you.